Welcome to our channel. Managing your storage and document files within the Global Entry system is essential for keeping your trusted traveler profile organized. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Visit the Global Entry website and log in to your Trusted Traveler Program's TTP account using your PASS ID and password. Step 2. Once logged in, navigate to the My Documents or File Storage section from your dashboard menu. Step 3. Review the list of uploaded documents and files currently stored in your account, including passport scans, proof of citizenship, and application documents. Step 4. To delete unnecessary files, select the documents you want to remove by clicking the checkbox next to each file. Step 5. Click the Delete button to remove the selected files from your storage. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Step 6. To upload new documents, click the Upload or Add Document button and select the file from your computer. Step 7. Make sure your files are in acceptable formats, such as PDF or JPEG, and do not exceed the file size limit specified by the system. Step 8. After uploading, organize your documents by renaming them with clear, descriptive titles for easy identification. Step 9. Regularly review and update your stored documents to ensure all information is current and relevant for your Global Entry membership. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.